Good day! In this video, I will demonstrate the basic skill of volleyball setting. Setting is used to accurately pass the ball to a teammate to prepare for an attack. It requires proper hand position, balance, and timing. Let's begin. First, get into the ready position. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and eyes focused on the ball. Second, raise your hands above your forehead. Form a triangle shape using your thumbs and index finger. Third, as the ball comes down, use your fingertips to contact the ball, not your palms. Fourth, extend your arms and legs at the same time to push the ball upward. Make sure your movement is smooth and controlled.